Look at the sky. It's about to storm really good. And I'm about to go sit down here by the reservoir. See what we got going on. I like coming out here at night. It's quiet for the most part, minus the traffic. But for the most part, it's just quiet. It's cool, chill. What the heck is that? Alright, just trying to make sure there wasn't no animal. I still don't really know what that is. Or if I want to sit there. Or should I go to the other side? Uh-oh, look at the sky. And I guess here goes nothing. Uh-oh, what kind of shoes? Let's see what this ground feels like. You got this. I was out in the woods earlier today. I don't know what I did to the top of my right foot, but it ain't feeling too good. I just have to see what this is. Oh, it's just a boulder. Huh. Just a boulder. But I'm gonna sit out here. Ew. I don't know what just went inside my shoe. It's like wet. I don't know. I'm just about to sit down here. In this nice little boulder. And look at the running water. And welcome the storm in. I keep telling myself I'm gonna go under there and walk underneath, but not at night. Not at night. Not tonight either. I love the sound of running water. It's just so calming to me. Maybe I should have went on that side and sat on that boulder. That's a nice boulder. Maybe tomorrow during the day, because it looks like a trash bag and some trash just got in there. Because usually the whole thing flows and it's enough water. So it's stuck somewhere. I'll probably be a good Samaritan and come out here and just get the trash out of there. Oh, did you see that lightning? Dang. And you know, like, look at the sky now. You see how there's no stars out? They are there. You just can't really see them. And I was out here last night, and I just really wanted to see a star, any star. I just wanted to just see something in the sky. Because it looked just like this last night when I was out here, like, at 2 in the morning. And, oh yeah, I got sidetracked. Like, that car looked really close, but that's just me. I'm tripping. But I had just started waving at the sky last night, and then a star started coming out. Just a lot of magical stuff has just been happening. I feel like a little kid sometimes, like just seeing magic for the first time, and it's just like the universe is the performer and just showing me like all of her cool tricks. And like, look what I can do. Like, look at that. So beautiful. Under the sun. Alright, back to the water. That's what I want to see. I wonder what the other side looks like all the way down there. But I hurt my top of my foot today, so I don't know if I really want to walk down there. Plus, it's uneven terrain, so I probably mess my foot up more. That's a strong possibility. Oh, here it comes. I can feel the rain coming down now. But usually I have my iPhone outside with me while it's storming, because that phone can go into water, be submerged into water, and not take damage. I'm not sure about this Android phone though. I don't want to risk it, because I already got a little aggravated with it and kind of, never mind. But I just don't like this Android, but I just have to deal with it. But I never brought it out during the storm. So maybe this is your time to prove yourself. What are you made of? Huh? What are you made of? Oh, don't mind me. I'm gonna set this right here for a second so I can stand up. Stand up. Alright, I'm just gonna go take a little peek down here, see what this looks like with the light. We may just go down to the other side. Now the lightning's really coming now. I just seen like a pretty string of lightning. Are you gonna put on a show tonight? I am gonna go look down here though. Ouch. See, I knew it was gonna be a dip somewhere. Oh, it's not running down here either. No, it's just still water. Oh, it is. Oh, it's the rain. And here comes the rain now. Look at that. And I'm the only one outside. Go figure. What is that? Oh, must be the lights. I think it's probably all what it's gonna do for right now. Maybe. Maybe. Nights like this, I wish that raindrops will fall. Oh, oh man. And it feels so good outside too. But I'm not gonna stay out in the rain tonight. I just retwisted my hair and I didn't wash it in the shower. So that took a lot. So if I can resist the shower, I can resist getting my hair wet in the rain. I'm gonna keep this retwist up for more than a week. Sure is beautiful out.